So hello guys, in few minutes I'm going to be showing us how we can design page mockups, web page mockups like this for ourselves. So maybe you want to put this on your website as your portfolio. So I will teach you how you can create a beautiful mockup like this for your project samples and all that. So let's go straight in. So for example, this is the page you want to create the mockup for. And the first thing you do is just go to your extension tab here, click on these three dots and go to extension and click on visit Chrome Web Store. Visit Chrome Web Store and search for full page screenshot. So the extension we used before, this is it. So the extension we used before is this Go Full Page. So some of you might have been familiar with it, but then recently there was an issue with Go Full Page. And it's not Chrome Web Store deleted it. So probably they are going to fix whatever issue it is with the extension. But for now, this is the one we are going to use. Go full page screenshot cap. So add to Chrome and add extension. And before you do this, make sure you are logged into your Google account. So it has been added. Close this and click on this extension icon and pin it. This is very important. Pin it to the extension tab here. And now let's go to the page we want to create a mockup for. So what do you do next? Click on the full page screenshot extension and choose full page. So this allows you to screenshot maybe just this visible area, or you snip it like when you're using a snipping tool. But here we want to screenshot the whole page, so just click on full page. So and yes, this is it, and click on export it so you can save it as PDF, a web page, a JPEG and PNG. So you're going to be using PNG for the purpose of what you want to do, PNG, and this is it. So and this is the page, as you can see. So next thing we do is go to our Canva, and start a new project. You may not need to start a new project if you already have a page, like a square sized page. So I'm going to click on new project and choose customize, and just going to use 1000 pixel by 1000 pixel. Click on create new and just wait for it. So after this is done loading, come to the templates tab here and search for desktop mockup. And it's going to bring many templates to desktop and mobile and tab mockup. So I will just go with this. Okay, which one? Oh, yes, okay. So this is the one I will be using. So after that, you come to the upload section here and upload your file, that is the screenshot that we made. Come to this download section. This is the screenshot and I'm going to download it. I'm going to upload it rather, and click on it and drag it on top of the the desktop screen, drag it, then you double click it to drag it to the center or to the top here, so that this top section will be what will be seen. That is it. Then you click on it again, drag it on the laptop screen, double click on it and drag it down. And so for the mobile, let's go back to the page that we screenshot, and let's right click on it and click on inspect. So you want to get the mobile version, the mobile mockup. So, and make sure if you click on the inspect, yours might show up like this. So make sure you click on this desktop and mobile icon here, click on it and it will turn it to the mobile view. Now then you click on the full page screenshot again, and it's going to screenshot the mobile view, and this is it. So let's download it again. So this is the mobile view. So let's come to and upload the mobile view. So drag it into the mobile screen, double click on it to bring it to the face, to the top. Yeah, exactly. So we are done. So you can just edit and add any other thing you want to add to it to personalize it. And after that, just click on share, and you can be able to download your mockup. So that's it. So choose which size you want to download. This size just okay, just click on download, and we have our mockup downloaded on our laptop. So that's it, guys. If you find this video useful, you can do well to subscribe and like this video. So this is it. See how beautiful it is. Simple. So thank you guys. Bye bye. We'll meet in our next video. Make sure you like this video, you subscribe to this channel, and share it with someone that you think will need this. Bye.